today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. And yes, guys, you are looking at the title and you are saying, yes, Chris, what is the answer to that? Should we sell Bitcoin and Ethereum right now? I can tell you one thing. My answer to this question will shock you. Watch this video until the very end. Yes, we are standing here actually on the balcony having a beautiful sunset. It's just setting down here in Dubai. But nevertheless, this doesn't hold me back to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum in this crucial time. And I want to show you something in a chart where I'm correcting a mistake of myself. But more importantly, I'm showing you the single most important indicator to look at right now when it is about the question, Bitcoin is gonna go lower or not. When it is about the question, whether we had hit the bear market bottom for Bitcoin or not. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, my price targets, and of course, my trading plan. People thought I was hiding in a cave. No, this is my trade. Bitcoin, $70,000 in a profit, not $400,000 anymore. And Ethereum, like $8,000-9,000 in a loss right now. Net profit $60,000 on both of these trades. The question is, what are my next steps trading wise? What are my next price targets? I will talk about everything today. Now let's go straight into the content. Guys, scroll down below, press like, press subscribe and press the bell and leave your questions in the comment section down below. I want to get more active in the comment section here, so please leave them down below. Be an active community member and make noise for the algorithm. I want to jump straight into the content right now. Thank you so much for joining in today. So first of all, let's start with a mistake of myself I want to be correcting. And let me zoom out actually. This is a very, very important one, and I'm happy to do so before it's actually too late. Here you can see the last 12 years for Bitcoin ever since we have actually the start of price action here on TradingView for Bitcoin, 2010. And since then we had bull markets, bear markets, right? Bull markets and bear markets all the time. Of course, the question is, what is the long-term trend? Did we break it? And so far, the current, and not only here, but actually on whole crypto YouTube, the current narrative was Bitcoin broke the trend. Bitcoin is below for the first time. But as you can see right here, Bitcoin is still above the resistance, and this is very important to understand, the support. Previously, it was said that this long support line, which is 12 years old, was broken. I did readjust it and made sure that we are getting as many touch points as possible, because that is how you are drawing a trend, right? As many touch points as possible, respecting as much as possible the previous price action. Doing so actually leads us to Bitcoin still being at support. Doing so actually leads us at Bitcoin not having had broken the previous support, which is 12 years old. Keep this in mind, and now let's continue, guys. Make a mental screenshot here. Let me actually zoom out. When you are actually now pulling out this beautiful support here from the previous all-time high, then you can see that Bitcoin is right now at the exact levels from the 2017 all-time high. And yes, this is something which did not happen before. We usually do not revisit the previous all-time high of the previous bull market. Yes, this is the first time in history for Bitcoin. But now being in perfect confluence with the 12-year resistance, now having a fractal, which is a potential, let me show you, here you can see it, it's a potential W pattern for Bitcoin, which is potentially, I have to say here once again, marking the bear market bottom for Bitcoin, just as the last one also was a W bottom, also was a W in the end of 2018, in the beginning of 2019, marking as well the bear market. Let me quickly go back. Marking as well the bear market bottom for Bitcoin. And now people are coming and asking me, Chris, should I sell my Bitcoin? Should I sell my Ethereum right now while being at 12-year support, while actually forming fractals which are at least a potential bear market bottoming formation, while having an RSI on the weekly, on the monthly, which is as oversold as it has never been before, more people, though, in the market, being holders and traders of Bitcoin, are bearish than bullish. Actually, the ratio is more bearish than ever before in the history of Bitcoin. And this, dear ladies and gentlemen, is something we have to think about after an 80% retracement with all of the other factors I just mentioned before. Do you think this is the right moment to sell Bitcoin right now? I don't think so. And of course, trading-wise, this is a risky game, I do agree. But I'm in a position trade. And as long as the facts are not changing, I do not change my course. I do not get shaky hands. $60,000 in a profit is certainly not as nice as the 500,000 US dollars we already raked in on this trade. But I am keeping strong on that one. And yes, if we are ever breaking this 12-year resistance to the downside with some volume support, I might as well reconsider it and go out in a break even. Yes, but let's wait for the weekly candle to close. It is today. Let's wait for the next weekly candle to open to see some continuation and some new direction for Bitcoin. At the moment, my answer to should I sell everything, my subjective answer is no. At least that's what I'm not doing. I am not selling any of my Bitcoin, any of my Ethereum. In fact, I am getting ready for my next trades. Here on Bybit, you can see 4,450 US dollars in free margin. If you click my link down below, make your own account. And as well, with the 1,000 US dollar deposit, you get 1,000 US dollar Ethereum position airdropped. This is something completely new. If you click the link down below, after your initial deposit, you get a free Ethereum position airdrop to your account. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. Before I wrap it up, be experienced before trading on any of these exchanges. This is very important. Trade at your own risk. And we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.